See 2.5, check whether the following sequences are in AP. So in order to check the sequences in AP, first we have to find the differences between the two consecutive terms. See, what is the consecutive term? A minus 3, next term is A minus 5, the next term is A minus 4. So what is the difference here? T1, T2, T3, term 1, term 2, term 3, like that it goes on, right? Last term will be Tn. Now differences of these two terms, T2 minus T1. The differences should, if the differences are same, means we can say that the sequences are in AP. Now T2 minus T1. What is T2 here? A minus 5. What is T1 here? Subtract A minus 3. Okay. So here A minus 5 subtract A minus 3. So that means A minus 5 minus A plus 3. Minus A plus A cancels. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Now next term you take again. This is T3 minus T2. The difference, common difference should be same for throughout that sequences. Now A minus 7 is your third term. Subtract A minus 5. Okay, that means A minus 7 minus A plus 5. So minus A plus A cancels. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Similarly, it goes on. So in all these cases, what can you see? These differences are same, constant. That common difference. You get the differences are same. Therefore, what can you say? This A minus 3, A minus 5, this A minus 7, etc. That forms AP. That is, they are in AP. Now see to your next question. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 forms the AP or not. So what is the condition? The difference between the terms are same, means we can say their sequence forms the AP. Now what is your T2? 1 by 3. T1 and T2 subtract it. T2 minus T1. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay. That is the take LCM 3. 3 into 2, that is 6 is your LCM. Subtract here 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 by 6. Again T3 and T2 subtract it. That is your third term minus second term. First you did it, second term minus first term, that answer is minus 1 by 6. Now T3 minus T2, the third term, subtract the second term. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. That is again, take common LCM 12. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 by 12. Okay, the difference is not same. Here it is minus 1 by 6, here it is minus 1 by 12. Again you check it with the next term, T4 minus T3. That is 1 by 5, subtract 1 by 4, which is again 20. This one 4 minus 5, which is minus 1 by 20. So what can you say? The common differences is not same, right? So you can say there's a, what can you say? That the D is not same. The common difference is not same. Since they are not same, this doesn't form, the sequence doesn't form the AP. That therefore this 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 are not in AP. Your next question, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. Therefore now T2 minus T1, find out the common difference, right? 13 minus 9, what it is? So in all these cases, the difference between the second term and the first term is 4, 4, 4, 4. So this number sequence 9, 13, 17, 21, 25 forms a AP. Now look at the next question, 2.5, fourth question. Minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 forms AP or not. Subtract T2 minus T1. 0 minus of minus 1 by 3. That is 0 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Same way T3 minus T2. 1 by 3 minus 0, which is again 1 by 3. Next T4 minus T3, which is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So common LCM, right? 3, 2 minus 1, right? Which is again 1 by 3. So what can you say? In all these things you have the common differences, isn't it? The difference between the term, second term and the first term is 3. In all the cases it is same, right? 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Therefore what can you say? This sequence 1 minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 are in AP. See to your next question. Here T2 minus T1, minus 1 minus 1, which is minus 2. Again third term minus second term, right? 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1 plus 1, right? Again which is 2. Okay, The next term t4 minus t3. It is t4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth term minus 1, which is again minus 2. Again t5 minus t4. Your t5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1. 1 minus of minus 1. That is 1 plus 1, which is 2. Again t6 minus t5. Your t6 is again minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1 is minus. So you have alternate minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2. But the difference is not same. Okay. So what can you say? The difference, since the difference is not same, it is not an AP. Okay. Since the difference are not same, it is not in AP. That is your 1 minus 1. Again 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 are not in AP. Now look at the next second 2.5 second sum. First term A and common difference D are given below like this. Find the corresponding AP. Now when the first term and the common difference is given, the arithmetic progression is of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that it goes on. The sequence goes on like this. So here given A is 5, D is 6. So first term will be 5. The second term will be A plus 6. 5 plus 6, that is 11. Third term will be A plus 2 times D. That is 5 plus 2 times your D is 6. Right? The next will be 5 plus 2 times 3 times 6. Like that it goes on. That means 5, 11, 5 plus 12. 6 2s are 12, right? 12 plus 5, 17. Here again 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, 23. Like that it goes on. So this is in the AP. Given AP is this. When the A is 5, D is 6. Look at the next sum. A is 7, D is minus 5. Now again AP format is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. It goes on like this. AP format. Right? Your A plus 7. First one is 7. Your A is 7. The next term is A plus D. That is 7 plus minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. I'll write it again. 7 plus of minus 5. That is A plus minus 5. The next term will be A plus 2 into minus 5. Next term will be A plus 3 into minus 5. It goes on like this. That is 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 10. This one 7 minus 15. It goes on. Which is 7, 2, 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Then 7 minus 15 is minus 8. So they are the given AP is like this. 7, 2, minus 3, minus 8. Look into your next question. A is 3 by 4, D is 1 by 2. So the AP format is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. So first is 3 by 4. The next is A plus D, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. The next is 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 2. The next is 3 by 4, 3 into 1 by 2, which is goes on like this. Therefore, that is 3 by 4. This one take LCM 4. This one numerator 3 plus 2. The next one again 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 1. So LCM take 4. 3 plus 4 by 4. So your next term is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2, right? Take LCM 4. So you get 3 plus 2 divided by 4. Here the numerator has 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 by 4. So it goes on like this. So first term will be 3 by 4. Second term will be 5 by 4. Third term is 7 by 4. And the next term is 9 by 4. It goes on like this. So the AP format is this. Look into your next question, third one. Find the first term and the common difference. That means you are going to find A and D, right? Given that last term Tn is minus 3 plus 2n. Last term of that arithmetic progression is given. Like T1, T2, T3, right? The term's last term is given. So you are supposed to find first term. That is your n is 1, right? You will get the first term. Minus 3 plus, in n place you put 1. You get minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. When n is 2, you get the second term. What is it? Minus 3 plus 2 into, in n place write 2. So minus 3 plus 4, which will be 1. In n place write 3. So your T3 will be minus 3 plus 2 into 3. So minus 3 plus 6, that is 3. So n is 4, you get 3 4. Minus 3 plus 2 into 4, that is minus 3 plus 8, which is 5. So in all the term, what is the terms you are getting? Minus 1, 1, 3, 5. These are the terms you are getting. And your t and last term is minus 3 plus 2n. Now check that whether they are in AP. That is, what is the condition to check? The common difference should be same. So subtract the second term, 1 minus of minus 1, which is 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, T3 minus T2. What will be your T3? Here given as 3. 3 minus 1, which is again 2. Similarly, T4 minus T3. What it is T4 minus T3? 5 minus 3, which is again 2. So in all this term, you get the D as 2. Your D value is 2. Okay. What is your first one? First A value. A value is your first term. That is minus 1. So your A is your first term, which is minus 1. Already you have got it. T1. That is your first term A1. So your first term is minus 1 and the common difference is 2. Now look into the next question, 2.5. Fourth question, find the 19th term of AP. That is T19 is your question. Now you all know Tn formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. If you find A and D, you got n as 19, right? Now you want what is A and what is D, right? The first term is your A. So you got A also minus 11. Now you want to find only D, right? How will you find D? Your D is nothing but second term minus first term. The common difference is what your D. So they are told they are in AP. So second term minus first term. That is minus 15 second term minus of minus 11. That is your first term. So minus 15 plus 11, which is your minus 4. Right? You can find out this third term minus second term also. T3 minus T2. Minus 19 minus of minus 15. Minus 19 plus 15, which is again minus 4. So your D is now minus 4. If now you got D, you got A, you got N. Apply in this T19. So T19 will be A plus 19 minus 1 into D. That is, your A is minus 11. 19 minus 1 is 18. And your D is minus 4. Okay. That is minus 11 minus 72, which is again minus 83. So the T19th term, that is T19. Your 19th term of this sequences is T19th is minus 83. So T19th term is minus 83. Now look into your next question. Tn is 4 minus 7n. Now what is your T1 first term? N place you put 1. 4 minus 7 into 1. That is 4 minus 7, which is minus 3. T2 will be 4 minus 7 into 2, which is 4 minus 14. Right? Minus 10. Your T3 will be 4 minus 7 into 3, which is 4 minus 21. 4 minus 21, 17. Now T4 is 4 minus 7 into 4. That is 4 minus 28. That is minus 24. This is all minus only, right? So what are the terms getting? Minus 3, minus 10, minus 17, minus 24. So what you do? Subtract it and find out T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. Minus 10 minus of minus 3. That is minus 10 plus 3. The difference is minus 7. Right? T3 minus T2. Which is minus 17 minus of minus 10. Minus 17 plus 10. That is minus 7. Similarly, T4. What is your T4? T4 minus T3. That is, your T4 is minus 24 minus of minus 17. Okay. 24 minus 24 plus 17. Again it is minus 7. So in all the term you get minus 7 minus 7. Therefore, what can you say? This term minus 3, minus 10, minus 17, minus 24 are in AP. Okay. Now given which term of AP is minus 54. That means the nth term they are asking, right? You know, this is the term, last term it is only minus 54. For which term? Nth term is minus 54 exists. Now you know T1 is 16. First term is 16, second term is 11, third term is 6, fourth term is 1. And therefore minus 54 is which term number? So for finding out that, you have n is equal to n minus e, L minus a by d plus 1. Formula to calculate the term, n number of terms, right? Nth term. So n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. Here your L is minus 54. So minus 54. A is your first term. That is your A is again 16. By the common difference. Already they told it is AP. So the difference will be D is T2 minus T1. Right? 11 minus 16, which is minus 5. Similarly 6 minus 11, that is also minus 5. 1 minus 6, that is also minus 5. So your D is minus 5 plus 1. Therefore 54 and 16 both are same. So add it, minus 70. So 70 minus minus cancels, 70 by 5. Right? It is 14 times. 14 plus 1, which is your 15. So 15th term, 14th term. This is your 5 table, no? 70 goes. So 14 plus 1, 15. So the 15th term is only minus 54. That is your T15 is minus 54. The 15 minus 54 lies on the 15th term.